message finds you all in good spirits. Well, today is Mod Day by StangMode. That's right. We're not just about built motors, built transmissions, running 9s, running 8s in our Mustangs. We also like the simple stuff, the simple things in life. So what's happening with the Hulk today, you picked up on last video, we had a little bit of issues, but so far so good. We put more trans fluid in, got a new tune. It seems to be happy. But today we're doing a simple mod from our friends at Carbon Bargain. We're gonna change the rear taillights here in Hulk to the smoked 18 and up taillights. This is actually good for your 15 through 20 Mustang. So let me show you something. So basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna change these red out, which I like the red, and actually I can put them on Mamba as well. Link in description. We're gonna put the new rear taillights on, and I think it's really kind of like, you know, the red just kind of seems a little out of place here. So, you know, we have the signature wheels. I think it should pop pretty good. And guys, it goes without saying, we are just in the last, I don't know what day you're seeing this, but we're in the last month of the giveaway for the Mach 1. As you can see, it is garaged up here. The Mach 1 is headed towards the end of the giveaway. All you gotta do is go to StangMode.com, grab some merch, and enter to win this bad boy right here. I'm super excited that, again, this is a big chance we took. $60,000 Mustang and $30,000 cash, but we're there. If this is happening, someone's gonna get this beautiful Mustang. And what's great about this, guys, is that it still retains the factory warranty. We did the poll, and we got your messages. You guys wanted to keep it with the Ford warranty, so this is going to keep that. But it does have, modification wise, we did PPF the whole car. We did ceramic coat it. It's beautiful, beautiful fighter jet gray, and we do have the Velgen wheels. So this bad mama jamma is ready. So check it out. Go to StangMode.com, grab yourself a chance to get this epic. I mean, look at this, guys. I'm keeping it in my garage, and I have the Hulk out there. So I'm trying to keep some TLC for your future Mustang. But anyways, I digress. Let's take a look at the mod we have for today that came in from Carbon Bargain. Here it is. What? I sell pools, by the way, as well. So link in the description as well. I gotta do that video. Everyone wants to know how I make all my money. But this is it. Taillight for Mustang. Here it is. What happened here? Let's see what we got here. Very nice instructions, and looks like it's plug and play. Oh yeah, that looks fire. Yeah, ho. That'll definitely do. Dude, that looks so good. Hold on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is clean out this trunk, GT5, Hulk helmet. We'll do a drive too, just so you guys can see. Get this off. Take this panel off, remove the speaker, take some carpet out, bing, bang, boom. Take these lights out, and then pop them in, plug and play. Come right out. And just like that, we're halfway done. No, I'm just kidding. All right, I'm gonna use my trusty Shelby GT500 toolkit that came with Hulk for this epic install. As you can see, my trusty GT500 set unfortunately didn't suffice here. Yep. We pinch this up here and we pull up. There you go. And pull that out. So now we're gonna dummy install the light so you can get an idea. Ooh, that looks mean. Oh yeah, one more tip. This piece has to come off your stock lights. This little trim piece, and it pops on top. Dude, oh, I'm feeling it. Flashers work. Love it. All right, link in the description. Check it out. Carbon Bargain. You can get yours for your 18, your 15 through 2020. What I like about these, the smoke tail lights, I didn't have to wire it into the brake light. You just plug and play. I get the same features as stock. And I can loosen that and adjust it as I please. Oh, love it. Oh, that looks so good. Ah, first blood. That's what happens when you work on your car. All right, I like to go overboard with what tools I'm using. So, yeah, not like a crazy impact. 13 mil on these guys right here. But we have it on setting 1, all right? For you novices out there. There you go. Done. Now, very simple to remove this. These 3 13 mils. Boom. And then, she comes right out. You gotta get the wiring harness unplugged back there. Listen, if you wanna see more StangMode how-tos, give us a like and subscribe. All right, so speaker's back, light is in. Let's do the final touch. Let's show you guys. I think it looks, ooh, I think it looks great. Get that maybe on Mach 1? Comment below. Comment below if you wanted the Mach 1 to have these. All right, lights are on. Let's go for a little bit of a drive here. That looks so good. Okay. Oh yeah, wanted to show you guys this new merch. We got the Send Hub. I think you guys know what that's about. StangMode stuff for your chance to win the Mach E new merch here. Send free hugs. Just kidding, don't touch me. Like I said, for now, Hulk is happy. Now this is what happened, right? So we did a little topsy-turvy tip from Steve. The car was at an angle and we refilled. The fluid was actually topped off, but for whatever reason, it needed more. So we put more fluid into the DCT. I've been driving it since I got back from the track rental on Monday. Car's been happy. So we're gonna do this. I did talk to the gentleman, SBE Clutches. They do clutches for GTRs, for Lambos, for all those high horsepower crazy cars. So listen, this is my 500, blah blah blah. It's probably got the most miles. We're closing on 15,000 miles. Of course, we have the motor, but the Trans is still, the Trans is still the stock Trans. With all those passes, with all those hits, the roll racing, the daily driving, me driving it. So he said, listen, no problem. What you can do is, he doesn't think the transmission's gone. He thinks we can just upgrade the clutches. So that's what we're going to do. When the time is right, we're going to take the DCT out and send it over to Minnesota, my friends in Minnesota, and they're going to upgrade the DCT. For now, the car should be fine as it stands at about 1,100 wheel horsepower. But when we plan, that is the plan, to get a 3.8 Whipple on the Hulk and put it up to like 1,300, 1,400 wheel horsepower, we're going to obviously need the upgraded clutches anyway. So that's the cart before the horse. We're going to get there. Right now, I'm happy that the Hulk is driving fine. It's moving by the grace of God. And more importantly, we got some really cool, badass taillights. I mean, and yours truly install them. But they'll probably break too. But anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of drive here. Really happy with these turned out. These are my friend's Carbon Bargain. They also did the steering wheel for Hulk and for the Mamba. You can check them out. Use code StangMode as well. But yeah, I'm very happy. This is all new. You know, there's no fully built 11-to-1 compression GT500. This is all new. You know, I'm very much a unicorn in this. So as I document and vlog everything, you're gonna see the good, bad, and the ugly. So bear with me. You know, people are gonna talk trash. Gonna talk trash. It is what it is. The internet. You know, gotta grow thick skin. But one thing I won't apologize for is our giveaways. I love our giveaways. That feels good. They're doing great. You guys are really engaged. We're working hard, bringing you new merch. Please check it out. We're ending soon. 4:30 is the end. So go now, grab some merch. You know, this is the biggest one we've done to date. So I love that downshift. We are on Pump E85 right now. We are not on C85. Around town, I'm gonna be driving the Pump E85. Sorry for the glare, the sun. I'll try to layer over clips of cool stuff while I talk. But yeah, so far so good. Motor's obviously fine. Should be. Holy cow. Oh gosh. Oh hell yeah. Woo! Woo! All right, we're back, baby. Oh, we're back. Must be the taillights. All right, you guys. I'm gonna have a little more fun here. We'll see you guys soon at the track. Hulk's back. Everything's happy for now. The saga continues. It never ends. And the Mach 1 giveaway. Okay, had to wash off Hulk look real quick. I'll dry it off, but wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Whee.